Everyone, and it is Saturday and I'm back with one of the one shot sessions which I have been taking in the past. So we have already covered straight lines and circles in one shot. So today is the time for parabola, and I promised you guys we'll be doing many more like this and coming forward. But guys, do not take that this is the only thing. If you study this, that will be the end of parabola. No guys, this is just a relaxing session, you can say, in which you can understand the basic concepts of parabola. You can do some basic problems on parabola, but if you want to study advanced level, definitely in one shot you cannot do it. That is a guarantee. So this is, I'm telling you again and again, a brief session in which everything will be refreshed. If you have already studied, or if you're a beginner also, that is good for you, so that you get an outlook of how and why we have to attend this chapter. Okay, so this will be obviously guys a foundation for parabola. Definitely we will be discussing each and every topic in detail on this platform as well, because now we are going to finish algebra. We are in sequences and series, and after that guys we will be going ahead with this conic section part and straight. So do not forget to join me on this platform at 5:45 guys, on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, where we discuss amazing topics from 11th grade CB. And obviously, if you are in other boards, you can obviously get in touch. Okay, so guys, without wasting any time, let's begin, and I'll introduce myself to all of you who are new. So guys, this is Abhinav Jha, BTech and IT Nagpur. Got more than 3 years of teaching experience now. And obviously guys, you can plan out your Unacademy subscription, which is one of the most interesting things which is there for a student right now in India, because guys, here on this platform, one of the best faculties of the country, there's a chance for you to grab out that. Hello, Desi guy. Hello, Kumar Nishant. Fantastic. How are you guys? Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, Bharadaj. Good afternoon. How are you? So, guys, obviously, all of you must be knowing that yes, I am on Plus now, and obviously, guys, you can get on with my course. You have to simply install this app over there. And guys, if you look at this IIT JEE section, in this IIT JEE section, guys, you have to go and click on plus. Okay, so guys, why plus? Everyone asks me, hi Praveen, good afternoon, why plus? Guys, plus because guys, you want your in coaching of JEE to be going in a particular direction, right? And Unacademy Plus gives you that direction, because there what happens is everything is streamlined, the topics are streamlined, the courses are previously decided, you can plan your study accordingly, and there'll be DPPs and doubt clearing sessions on regular basis. So that's why plus is very important. Okay guys, so why and how you are going to do that, it's very simple. You have to obviously go to this Unacademy app, click on my goals. In that IIT JEE section guys, you have to click on plus, and then guys click on get subscription. Okay, when you click on get subscription, you will be getting this portal. In that you have to click on AJ Live. Okay, AJ Live. Bharatvaj, in that special class, obviously we are not teaching in detail. I am personally taking more number of quizzes over there, because time foundation is there. That's the reason why. But in plus we have ample amount of time, so we can obviously go ahead and take a look at each and every topic in detail. So that's the difference actually. Moreover, you have doubt clearing sessions. Personally, I'll be interacting with you in the doubt clearing sessions. You can share your n number of doubts on that platform. Moreover, you will be getting the amazing DPPs every lecture. So that's the main difference between special class and plus class, guys. Okay, so that's the reason why, guys. And hardly what is going to cost you, guys, if you use my code AJ Live. If you use the code of AJ Live, it will be costing you for 1 month 6,300. That is it. Okay, because if you want to just try it for a month and see that how it works, I definitely recommend you to just take it for a month. Then obviously you can upgrade to this amazing plan. But my recommendation is you can go for 1 year or 2 year plan. If you are in 11th grade, definitely you can try for this one. And if you are a 12th grade or a dropper, you can go for this. If you're an early starter, you can obviously go for, if you're in 10th or 9th, you can also take the 2-year plan. Yes, sure, sure. Okay, fine. And here we have, guys, AJ Live. AJ Live is the code in this platform. You have to fill in over here. AJ Live. As soon as you fill in, if you proceed to pay, you have the EMI options available as well. So that will be the best. Okay, everyone. So that's the reason why you have to take plus, guys, because you know that obviously, guys, I am also the Unacademy JEE English channel is also on the Telegram. Here what you can have do is you can obviously go ahead and see the updates of our class. Okay, all the amazing faculties updates of regular classes you can get on this plan. Fine. Moreover, guys, Abhinav SC is also my code. If you want to take plus subscription, you can go ahead with this also. Fine. So next is this is my course, guys. I'll just guide you towards my course, which is already been launched on the plus platform. Okay, so this is my course, guys, which is running right now on the plus platform. Yes, yes, Nishant, we're starting. 1 second, let me guide you towards my plus platform. So this is my code, guys, AJ Live, which you already know. And if you take this code, if you use that, you can attend my classes for 2021. So for 2021 students, I have already started one crash course. Okay, crash course has already been started. And for 2022 students, there's a detailed course which is running. Okay, let me show you what is that. This is the course for JEE22 aspirants, guys. In this, we have already started graphs, sets, relations, and functions. Okay, guys, we are doing this chapter right now, which is the foundation, okay, for all your JEE preparation. So this will be really, really helpful. Moreover, after that, we'll be doing trigonometry, algebra, conic sections. Everything will be done in detail over there. Fine. Okay, so these are the possibilities which you can obviously take. And guys, obviously Tuesdays and Thursdays will be the classes. You will be having amazing quizzes and tests in the weekend. Similarly, guys, this is my crash course which I have launched for 2021 aspirants. Okay, you can obviously join at 8:30 p.m. This is the timing of my plus class, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This happens. The differential calculus is going on right now. Okay, so then after that, we'll be doing integral calculus, vectors, 3D, and inverse trigonometry and matrices and determinants. So this is the pattern which we'll be following right now. Okay, guys, clear? And also, guys, these are the free special class timings. Okay, these are the special class timings at 7 p.m. Okay, from Wednesday to Sunday. Okay, this today I might not be able to take the class. Okay, but obviously we'll be continuing from the next week efficiently. Okay, so Wednesday to Sunday is my new special class timings, guys. Take a note of it. This is obviously free of cost, right? This is free classes for all of you students. Fine. Here we'll be discussing lots and lots of quizzes, and every time I come over there. Fine. Okay, let's move ahead, guys. And this is my timing of my YouTube. So guys, definitely you can attend my YouTube lessons. In this will be helping you. Obviously at 5:45 I come every day, right? At 5:45 I come every day. Okay, from Monday to Saturday. Let's move ahead, guys, with this one short session on parabola. Okay, Nishant is asking something after one shot of this lecture, which things will be done. Basics. I'll be discussing the basics here. Nishant, definitely the basics will be discussed in detail. I'll be discussing everything. And then obviously you can solve the problems of advanced level also after this session. But then obviously you have to work hard a lot. You have to give in your efforts from your side. I'll be discussing the basic concepts because many concepts are still involved which are formula based. In conic sections, what happens is if you just look at this part, what happens is then after that many things in conic sections are derived. Like suppose some other conditions are derived. So in books they give you the formulas, but if you attend these lectures of mine, you don't really have to mug up those formulas. You can obviously go for these concepts and you can apply them and do really well. Chalo. Okay, guys, let me begin this session. One short parabola, guys. So first thing, guys, we look at the definition of conic. Okay, so definition of conic. So what is a conic? Very important to understand. The locus of the point which moves in a plane such that. Hello Rohan, good afternoon. such that the ratio of the distance from a fixed point to its perpendicular distance from a fixed straight line is always constant. So that is called as a conic section or a conic. So let's suppose we have a point over here P. So let's suppose this is a point P. Its distance from the focus, okay, its distance formula, you can use the distance formula, right? So this is a point, focus is a point, okay, that is a point. Fixed point is what? Over here, fixed point is called as focus actually. Okay, maybe 2.5 to 3 hours, Rohan. Okay, everyone can take a drink, or you can have your coffee, tea, whatever you have, and you can obviously sit over here. Okay, you can have everything, but be patient and watch it till the end, guys. Do not worry about it. Okay, so guys, SP by PM, this is the ratio, which is obviously, guys, constant. This ratio by this ratio is constant. So that is called as, guys, a conic section or a conic. That's the definition. Okay, this is called as a conic. Fine. Chalo. So that is nothing but, let's you look into this. So guys, let S be that fixed line. Okay, let S be that fixed line. Okay, fixed point, and L be that fixed line. So P is any point and M be the projection of P on L. So we can say that SP by PM is fixed. Okay, so let's look into this value, what they are talking about. They are talking that SP by PM, this SP, this distance SP by PM is fixed, and that is called as E, my dear students, which is nothing but called as the eccentricity of the conic section. Fine, this is called as the eccentricity of the conic section, as you can see over here. So this is denoted by E, is called as the eccentricity. Understood? So guys, when we will be calling anything a conic, when we will be calling anything a conic, when this E is fixed, that ratio is fixed, and that ratio is called, my dear student, eccentricity of conic section. Okay, so we'll be obviously looking at this point. First we'll discuss what is a conic, then I will introduce with you the parabola. Okay, now guys, why something is a parabola? So parabola definition is this: if E becomes 1, that SP by PM is 1, that means implies your SP is PM, then we call that, what you, my dear students, then we call that thing as a parabola. Okay, then we call that thing as a parabola. And if your E is between 0 and 1, if your E is between 0 and 1, so we call this as an ellipse. If E is greater than 1, we call it as a hyperbola. And guys, you can obviously imagine a circle, you can never get a line. Can you get a line? No, that line will be at infinite distance, right? Because this distance by this distance will never be constant. It has to be infinite. Then only you will get that R by infinity is constant, which is tending to 0. Understood, everyone? For a circle, why eccentricity is 0? Very interesting concept. For a circle, can you get a line which will be obviously giving you a constant distance from every point of the circle? Can you get? Tell me. Can you get a line? No, because this distance will be different than this distance, right? Understood, everyone? Obviously, this distance will be different, right? When you change the point, this is R, this is R. This distance will be obviously different. So that means your line should be at what distance? Infinite distance, isn't it? Your directrix will be at what? Infinite distance. So we will draw the directrix here at infinity. Now the ratio will be constant. Understood? We are just playing with this. Okay, now the distance will be constant. Any point you take, this point will also have infinite distance here. Let's suppose this is infinity, this will be infinity. This also will be infinity, right? Okay, this also is infinity, and this is R. So guys, what is the eccentricity now? Can I say E will be equal to R by infinity? R by infinity will be what? It will tend to 0, right? No, next Saturday maybe Bharadwaj will have one. So that's the reason why, guys, circle's eccentricity is infinite. Understood? Circle's eccentricity is circle's eccentricity is tending to 0. Okay, it's not exactly 0, but it tends to 0. We call it as a. And for pair of straight lines, guys, obviously you will have, obviously the distance will be 0, okay, that point will be lying on that only, so that will tend to infinity, right? So that is the reason why, guys, we get this eccentricity as this, because, guys, pair of straight lines, this point is there, so point of intersection, so this is the nothing but the focus, so 0. So, guys, that's the reason why you will get it as a 0. That's the value we will get, okay. Now, so that's the reason why, guys, we call it semi-lattice rectum as L. Now, what is semi-lattice rectum? Lattice rectum means, let's suppose I have got any conic. Okay, any conic is there. Okay, this might be circle, ellipse, parabola, parabola, whatever. So, guys, let's suppose this is your focus. This is your focus. Okay, let's call this as S. Hello, Papi, ready? No issues, no issues. So, guys, if you draw this perpendicular, you draw this thing. Okay, so this L, this is called as what, my dear students? This we call it as 2L. What is this? From here to here, 2L. Okay, let's suppose this is L, this is L dash. So this L dash called as 2L, which is called as lattice rectum. Lattice rectum, this is for any conic. Okay, any conic it is. It is for any conic. So, guys, this is called as lattice rectum. Now, can I say, guys, this is also point, right? This is also point. You can say this is P. This point is P also, right? So PS, isn't it, everyone? SP will be what? Can I say L, half? Right, SP is half, which is called as what? Semi-lattice rectum. Okay, semi-lattice rectum. Okay, semi-lattice rectum is called as L. Clear, everyone? That is called as L over here. So that's why, guys, L by D is E. Because that is also SP only, na? This will be SP for this case. Got it, everyone? So now, guys, what will happen? We'll get L by D is E. L by D is eccentricity. That's the reason why, guys, directrix, the distance from the focus to directrix is D. We will get L by D as E. That's the answer. So, guys, let's move ahead now. Okay, next. So, guys, now general equation of a conic. Okay, let's suppose, guys, I have told you general equation. One way to derive the equation of any conic. One way to derive the equation of any conic is, we can say SP by PM is E, right? So we can say what? We can say that SP square. We can say that SP square. We can say that SP square is equals to what? E square PM square, right? Yes, isn't it? If you square it. So, guys, let's suppose your equation of directrix is Lx plus my plus n equals to 0, and let's suppose your focus, this is your directrix, and let's suppose your focus, guys, is at x1 comma y1. So can I say, guys, you can say this is nothing but S. You can say focus is S, and let's suppose any point P on the parabola is x comma y. Yes. So what we can say, guys, we can say SP is equals to E square, this square, right? So let's do that. This distance square will be what, guys? SP square x minus x1 whole square, point to point, y minus y1 whole square is equals to E square into distance of P from M. That is the distance of this point P x comma y with this line. What is the distance of point from a line? Distance of point from a line, mod of AX1. That will be what? LX. This is x only. Plus my plus n by under root what? L square plus m square, right? And you will whole square it. You will whole square it. So that's the reason why, guys, this will cross multiply. We will get L square plus m square into x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equals to E square into what? Lx plus my plus n whole square. Lx plus my plus n whole square, guys. Yes. Understood, everyone? So this is the general equation of any conic section, guys. From this concept, you can get equation of any conic. Foundation needs to be strong. Many of the students just learn the formula. This is the formula for ellipse, this is the formula for hyperbola, this is the formula for parabola. This is wrong concept. This is wrong concept, guys. Okay, so what we will get? We will get this as our equation. Okay, so this is your general equation of your ellipse. Okay, this is a general equation of your any conic section. Okay, or this will be valid for any conic section. So when you open it up, you will get an x square term, you will get a y square term, you will get an xy term. Not x1 y1, Bharadwaj. Focus is s, that is x1 y1. P is xy, any random point. What was p here? What was p? P was any random point. P is what? Any random point x comma y, and focus is x1 y1. From this xy to this line, lx plus my plus n, this is equation is lx plus my plus n equals to 0. Understood? Yes. Chalo. So guys, that is what we have right now. Now let's move ahead with this concept. No Babi ready, not tomorrow, maybe next weekend we will plan. Okay, chalo. Let's move ahead, guys. Now guys, there's one interesting thing you have to understand. Like, we already know that the second degree equation I just told you is ax plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, right? So guys, that we did this is the second degree equation, guys. This will be denoting any conic. No, I have not taken parametric. I'll take that. This is general point x1 y1 focus. Okay, that is just the focus, and any we will do that. Don't worry, everything will be done. Okay, so guys, this is the so we call, guys, delta. There is one thing called delta. Okay, we have to get the delta. That will be giving, that is nothing but ABC. Actually, this is the determinant. Okay, you can get this value ABC, and then we have HGF. This is actually what? A symmetric matrix. Okay, if you take the transpose, this will be same as this. So guys, this delta, if this delta is not equal to 0, if this delta is not equal to 0, then we get a conic section. Then we get this conic section. Understood? We get circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, rectangular, hyperbola, anything. Understood? So this delta should not be 0. If the delta is 0, you will get pair of straight lines, or you will get straight lines like that. Clear? So delta shouldn't be 0. You can see here, delta should not be 0. Okay, and then guys, obviously we have discussed this circle concept. A will be equal to B, which should not be 0, right? And h equals to 0, right? Okay, very good. A transpose is equals to, so h equals to 0 for circle. So guys, parabola has this condition: your h square should be equal to AB, then only that will be called as parabola. Okay, for ellipse, h square should be less than AB. For hyperbola, h square should be greater than AB, and h square greater than AB and a plus b equals to 0 gives us the rectangular hyperbola. Guys, we'll discuss these concepts later on when we'll be discussing ellipse, hyperbola, and rectangular hyperbola. At the moment, we are discussing parabola, so just, guys, keep note of it, and very important. Okay, guys, so let's move ahead with this concept now. Okay. 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 Tell me. Next, let's move ahead, guys. Next concept. So what is this, guys? Parabola. So parabola definition. So guys, first of all, what is the definition? So I have already told you guys, the locus is a point in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point focus is always equal to the distance of the fixed line directrix. It's called as parabola. For parabola, eccentricity is, okay guys, we've already discussed, for a parabola the eccentricity has to be 1. The distance SP is equals to PM. The distance SP by PM is 1. Okay, SP will be equal to, that's the answer. Fine. Sure. So guys, we all know that this SP should be equal to PM. That's the reason why your eccentricity will be 1. So that's the definition of that. Okay. So guys, small things, but very, very important. Next guys, here we have different types of parabolas. We have one is right facing, one is left facing, one is upward facing, and then one is downward facing. This is x square equals to ay, 4ay, right everyone? So these are the different types of parabolas we have. We have one y square equals to 4x. We have y square equals to minus 4x, x square equals to 4ay, and x square equals to minus 4ay. Let's derive one of them. I'll derive one of them for you guys. Let's see how we get the derivation. Okay. So guys, what is the derivation? Let's suppose I will derive this equation of a rightward facing. Okay. So let's suppose guys, this is the parabola somewhat like this. So we have to derive this equation. Okay. Yes, I'm explaining. Don't worry, I'm explaining. Without explaining, I won't get it. Okay. Okay. So this will be what? Let's suppose this is y square equals to 4ax. Okay, we have to derive this equation. We have to derive it. So at the moment we don't know this equation. Let's derive it. So guys, let's suppose this is focus. Let's take this point as a comma. Okay. So guys, what happens is directrix. So distance of any point. Can I say this is also point on parabola? You know, this is also point on parabola. Let's take it as capital X, capital Y. So we'll get a relation between capital X and capital Y. So what we will get? If you get a relation between capital X and capital Y, that will give you the equation, na? So let's suppose this is X comma Y. Okay, anything you can take. And directrix will be where? Can I say this will be the directrix somewhat? Why? Okay. Abhinav, let me do this one, right? In the end, I can answer your question. Okay, just take a look at this one. Okay, we are going ahead with this. Obviously, we will do that. Don't worry. Okay. So guys, what will happen? This point is there x comma y. So this distance, can I say guys, this distance and this distance will be same, right? Because obviously guys, this is a, this length is a, so this also has to be a, right? Because we know that it's a parabola. So guys, can you get me this equation? Can you get me this equation, everyone? What will be the equation of this line? Can I say it will be x equals to minus a? Just left to it. Okay. So what will happen? What will happen? Can I say this is x plus a equal to 0? Yes. So guys, what will happen is this distance will be equal to this distance. So what are we getting? We will be getting x minus a whole square plus y square. This distance is equal to this distance. Distance of this point from this line will be equal to what? Mod of x plus y, you cannot put, so a by root of 1 square plus 0 square whole square, right? That's what we are getting. Everyone understood? So we got this thing as this thing. Now when you whole square this, what are we getting, guys? When let's whole square this. So let me write down what we are getting. X square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square equals to x square plus a square plus 2ax. So guys, can I say x square, a square gone? Yes. X square and a square gone. X square gone, a square gone. X square gone, a square gone. So we will get y square equals to 4a. Right? This will come this side, and that is the derivation of it. Understood? Such an easy way we have actually derived. Yes. In the questions I will take, definitely. Okay. I'll cover those concepts in the questions. Don't worry. Okay, everything will be done. Okay, basic. This is obviously basic class. We'll discuss till tangent. Conceptually, we will discuss till tangent, and then obviously, guys, in the questions, I'll take variety of questions so that everything is covered. Okay, and in the general class, I told you guys we'll be doing everything from the basics, and everything will be done in detail. Now, guys, vertex is 0, 0 right here. This is called as vertex. Okay, this is called as focus a, 0. Okay, for this. Similarly, guys, this is y square equals to minus 4ax. So you can see here, guys, your x has to be negative because y square is there, right? LHS is positive. See, in y square equals to minus 4ax, y square equals to minus 4ax, we know that LHS is what? LHS is what? Positive. So LHS has to be positive, right? We have to consider a always greater than 0, guys. Don't forget that. Your a is always positive. Okay. So guys, our x has to be negative, no doubt. X has to be negative. That means that's why it is in the second and third quadrant. That's why it is in which quadrant, guys? Second quadrant and third quadrant respectively. The vertex is 0, 0, and this will be minus a comma 0, guys. This will be what? Minus a comma 0. Minus a comma 0 is your focus, and this vertex is origin. Similarly, guys, this is x square equals to 4ay. X square equals to 4ay. What will happen? Can I say LHS is positive? RHS also has to be positive. That means y has to be greater than 0. So that's the reason why the graph will be like this. We can see here, guys, y square equals to 4x. It's an upward facing parabola. Y is positive. That's why you're getting this thing. Right? 0, 0 and 0 comma a respectively. Similarly, for x square equals to minus ay, this will be a downward facing parabola. So you will get origin and 0 comma minus a respectively. Fine. So very basic foundation, guys. We can obviously understand the vertex and now guys, next is the point of intersection of directrix and axis. So directrix and point of intersection will be what? This point is what? Minus a comma 0. This point is what? Minus a comma 0. This point will be what? For this kind of parabola, this will be the directrix. Its equation will be x equals to a. This will be a comma 0. Right? For this kind of parabola, upward facing parabola, this will be your directrix. Y is equals to minus a, right? This will be the directrix equation, and this point will be 0 comma minus a. And for this one, this will be the directrix. The point will be 0 comma a. Such an easy method, we can actually derive the vertex, point of intersection, and directrix, everything. Now, ends of lattice rectum, guys. That is also very easy to understand. See, guys, let's suppose I have this as my parabola. Fine. This is, let's suppose, my parabola. So this is, let's suppose, the lattice rectum. Okay, lattice rectum is what? Anything which passes, I told you, the focus. This is a comma 0, right? So guys, can you tell me these values? The equation is what? Y square equals to 4ax. Now when you put x as a, what will happen? You will get y square equals to 4a square. Can I say implies y is equals to plus minus 2a? Absolutely. So guys, what will be this point? This point will be a comma 2a, and this point will be what? A comma minus 2a. So we will get the ends of the lattice rectum, and that's the reason why, guys, we will get the lattice rectum length also. What is the length of lattice rectum? 4a. 2a plus 2a. What is it? 2a plus 2a. 4a is the length of lattice rectum. Simple. Understood, guys? Correspondingly, you can get the other ends of lattice rectum for other parameters. Well, such an easy method, we can get the length of lattice rectum. Fine. Okay, equations of directrix, I have already told you. Equations of axis is very easy. Okay, guys, axis is this. This is called as axis of symmetry also, guys. So this is the axis. For this is the axis will be what? For y square equals to 4x, x-axis. So x-axis equation is y equals to 0. For this is again y equals to 0, the x-axis. For this it is, axis is what? The y-axis. Its equation is this thing. Okay. Okay, just so this will be x equals to. That's it. Simple. Okay, guys. Okay, I hope everyone understood this concept. Easy. Shall we go ahead, guys? Everyone? Okay. Yes, so that is what we have, everyone. That is a very simple thing which we have derived each and everything over here. Fine. Okay. So guys, equation of axis and equation of directrix also we have done. It's a very basic thing, guys. We will use these things in order to derive the basic functionality of a parabola. Okay, don't worry. So guys, equation of tangent at vertex. Can I say here we have the y-axis? Yes. What is the direction? Tangent at the vertex, the y-axis. Its equation is x equals to 0. For this also it's x equals to 0. For this is what, guys? Y equal to 0. For this it is what? Y equal to 0 again. Understood? Equation of lattice rectum is easy. This is x equals to a. This is x equals to minus a, this is x equals to y equals to a, and y is equals to. Simply, we can get the equation of lattice, rectum, and everything. Guys, what did we learn from it? This I told you 4a will be the length of lattice. What did we learn? We learned that, guys, any type of parabola, it will be many things. It can be like this. It can be a tilted parabola also. What will remain fixed is few things. What is fixed thing? That the vertex, the focus, this distance will be same as this distance. This is constant. Any type of parabola you take, it's a tilted, twisted, rotated, shifted, any kind of parabola you see. So guys, few things will be constant. Okay, this length will be the length of lattice rectum for sure. Okay, moreover guys, these two things will be perpendicular. If this is a, this will be a, no doubt about it. So guys, distances will remain same. Yes, distances will remain same. Always keep a note of it. Distances will remain same. Equation might change. Equation might change, guys. This will be what? This is nothing but what? Your axis. And this is nothing but what, guys? Tangent at vertex. Okay, this is tangent at vertex. This is your directrix. Okay, so these things will be same. These things will be what? These concepts will be same. Okay, it might be anything. Fine. So keep that in your mind. Keep that in your mind. Fine. So now let's move ahead, guys, and try to understand how vertex. Let's discuss the vertex for shifted parabola. So guys, let's suppose if I have got a parabola. Let's suppose I have got a parabola like this. y minus k whole square equals to 4ax minus h. Vertex is h comma k. That is only oblique. Oblique means it's rotated. Bharadwaj. Okay. So guys, let's suppose we have a parabola like this. So you can get the focus, everything, guys, now. Right? This is a parabola like this, which has been shifted to a point like this. Can I say this is vertex? Vertex h comma k. Right? This is your vertex h comma k. Okay. So this is your equation now. Y square equals to 4ax. Y square equals to 4ax, right? So this has been shifted to a vertex h comma k. Okay, now what is the focus? Okay, focus is what? For this, we have at a comma 0, focus will shift h units, na? H units to the right, and height will be the same. Okay, height will be k only, na? This will be the focus. Understood? Here you will have some focus. This will be what? H. This is your focus S. So you can say this coordinate is what? H plus A comma K. That's it. Shifting of origin. So simple, guys. Now these things you need not mug up, because I've already taught you these basic concepts when we were discussing the chapter of circles, straight lines. There I have told you how to shift the equation, right? Okay. Length of lattice rectum will change accordingly, guys. It will be 2a up. The difference, see guys, difference between them is a comma 2a, right? A 2a, right? This is a minus 2a. So that is same. Only hk will change. That's it. Nothing else. Equation of axis, equation of directrix, equation of tangent at vertex, equation of lattice rectum, and length of lattice. Length will be same. Equation will change. See here, equations are changing. Equations are changing. Coordinates are changing. Yes. Coordinates are changing. So that you can obviously understand. Lengths won't change, right? If I say what is the length of lattice rectum, that will be 4a only. Obviously. Understood, guys? So that's the reason how you actually do it. Fine. So now let's move ahead, guys, with the parametric coordinates. Okay, guys, very easy to get this one. So parametrics को. Okay. So guys, parametrics coordinate is like this. See here. See guys, why parametric? Because we want something subtle. We don't want two variables. Like in general, any random point you will take as x1 comma y1, na? So that is actually not recommended to solve problems, because you will have two variables. We want single variable. So what we do? We take y square equals to 4ax. So let's suppose if you make a whole square, how can you make a whole square? How can you make a whole square, guys? Can I put x as at square, right? 4 is already there. That's the whole square. So if you put x as at square, won't it become a whole square? Yes. Okay. It will be what? At square. So y square will be what? 4a square t square. So y will be plus minus 2at. Okay, extremities of latus rectum. So you want me to explain extremities of latus rectum? Well, only na. See here. This is h comma k na Bharadwaj. See here. This is what? Vertex is h comma. This is what? H plus a comma k. This you understood, right? And this will be what? 2 units up na. This length is how much? 4a is this one. This height is 2a. And this height is also what? 2a only na. So go 2a up. When you go 2a up, what will you get? H plus a comma k plus 2a. And this will be 2 units down. H plus a comma k minus 2a. Simple na. Understood now? That's it. Okay. It's a very basic thing. Not at all difficult. Okay. We just understand the focus. Vertex. Yes. Clear, everyone? Okay. That's it. So guys, that's how you get it. So guys, we generally take the positive one. So we take one thing. So we take one coordinate as this. Any random point on a parabola like this can be taken as this. Similarly here, to manage this negative, you need one negative. So negative will make it positive. You will get 80 square comma 280. And then here we'll get what, guys? 80 square 280. Now your y you have to put. Y will be 280. 80 square. Sorry. Y will be 80 square and x will be 280. Got it now? Easy. Fine. And here, guys, it will be 280 minus 80 square comma 280. Reverse. Understood? Very basic thing, guys. Just we are completing the whole square. We don't want any confusion. We don't want any confusion. Okay, we don't want any confusion. So we will obviously look into this. Why we are doing it? Because we want to keep it simple. Fine. Okay, now the tangent. Guys, the tangent is very important. Okay, so guys, one method is this. Everyone knows this. One method is what? T equal to 0 method, right? We have done this, right? X square is changed to what? X1, and x is changed as what? X plus x1 by 2. Remember? And y square is changed as y1, and what will happen, guys? Your y will be changed to y plus y1 by 2, isn't it? Remember, I have discussed this concept. Okay, this is what we do. Directly we can get the tangent at x1 comma y1, isn't it? So we have y square equals to 4ax. We have y square equals to 4ax. So guys, I'm doing for this. Rest everyone can do it, right? For the others. So we will have what? 2y. This will be what? 1 second. y1, isn't it? y1, 4a, and this x will be x plus x1 by 2. 2 cancels. So we are getting what? 2ax plus x1. This is nothing but your equation of tangent, which is this. You bring it this side, you will get t equal to 0. We will get what, guys? T equal to 0. y1 minus 2ax plus x1. Okay, guys. Yes, you can say yeah. Papi Reddy calls it x1. I call it t s1. I call it t. Your wish, guys. This is nothing but equal to. But the major thing over here is, guys, how to get this one. Now let's suppose we have y is equals to mx plus c. We have y is equals to mx plus c, guys. Now here in this we have to do for y square equals to 4ax. Okay, so for this we need. So how do we get this concept? So let's see. In circles it was very easy. Circle, what we did? Guys, we just equated the center. Let's suppose this was origin, and we had dropped the perpendicular, and we had done what? Distance d is equals to r, right? And we got that amazing equation. What is that? Y equal to mx plus minus r under root 1 plus m square. Remember, and distance from a line, this was taken as y, one second, y equal to mx plus c. This line was, equation was this. So from this line to this point we had taken, and we had got this equation, right everyone? But here in parabola we cannot do that. Fantastic, very good, Papi Reddy, amazing. So guys, actually there is one more concept which we can look. What we can use is, if you look at this parabola, let's suppose we have the parabola. Okay, we have drawn the tangent. So guys, let's suppose this is y square minus 4x, and this is y equal to mx plus, right? So guys, can I say this is the solution point? That will be 3 by, that will be 1 only, na? Asharani? Yes. So guys, this is x, this is the point of contact. So guys, can I say only one root of these two? This is a quadratic equation, right guys? When you put it over there, this is a quadratic. Can I get, guys, one root, right? Like, array guys, whenever a curve touches it, x equals square, y is equals to x square. What are the roots? Only one, right? Real and equal, right? Understood everyone? That's the reason why we will say that we'll put this equation in this. And you will get what? A quadratic. Okay, you will get quadratic. So now when you put it over there, y is equals to mx plus c. What will happen, guys? Just solve these two. Just solve these two equations. Just solve this, guys. Okay? Just solve these two equations. So we will get what? Mx plus c whole square minus 4ax equals to 0. Now you open this, guys. When you open this, what are we getting? M square x square plus c square plus 2mxc minus 4ax equals to 0. Okay. So guys, what are we getting? So guys, how many roots we will get? Only 1x, right? Only 1x. Are we getting a quadratic in x square or x? Yes. We're getting m square x square. If you look at x, we're getting what? 2mc minus 4a plus c square equals to 0. Understood? Yes. Now guys, can I say that this discriminant of this quadratic equation has to be 0? Then only that will be a tangent. Yes. Then only it will be a tangent, na? Because otherwise it will be a chord. When it cuts 2 times, it will be a chord. When you have 2 roots, it will be a chord. Good afternoon, Gaurav. Okay. So guys, let's do that. So guys, what is your ABC? Tell me. Can I say, guys, one second. My A is coming out as m square. My B is coming as 2mc minus 4a, and my C is like c square. Okay, so let's apply that, guys. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. What are we getting, guys? 4m square c square, sorry, this whole square plus 16a square and minus 2ab, guys. We will get 16amc, right? B square minus 4ac, 4m square c square. So guys, we will get 4m square c square will cancel. 4m square c square will cancel. You can see over here, guys, such an easy equation we got. Yes. So 4m square c square, 4m square c square gone. What am I getting? I am getting 16a square is equals to 16amc. 16 gone. A gone. We are getting c is equals to a by m. We are getting what? C is equals to a by. Fantastic result. Okay, guys. So do remember this. This is the result which you have to remember. And guys, when you use this directly, you can put it in this equation. Your tangent will now become nothing but y is equals to mx plus a by m. You know that tangent equation now, guys. You can easily get the foot of perpendicular. Can you get the foot of perpendicular, guys? Right? You know the focus, right? You know the focus. Focus is a comma 0. You know C value. Can you get the foot of perpendicular? Easily you can get the foot of perpendicular. This will be nothing but the point of contact. This will be nothing but, guys, point of contact. It equation is a by m square, comma, you can say a by m square, comma, what is it, 2a by m. Yes, 2a by m. That is also you can derive. No need to remember all this. We can easily derive this in the equations. Okay, fine, guys. That's what, Papi Reddy. How many formulas will you mug up? Questions in JEE are like, you should use the basic concepts because there are many formulas. We will do that obviously when we'll be doing this in detail, but obviously due to time constraint we cannot do it here. Okay, we'll be doing that, don't worry, when we'll be doing the whole topic in detail. But at the moment, guys, I am saying in your JEE there is no question that you cannot solve like this, in mains especially. Okay, so you can definitely solve it. Shall we go for the questions now, guys? Let's discuss few questions on this. Okay, fine. Chalo, let's see few questions. We'll be doing that, don't worry, everything will be done in detail, guys. The equation of tangents, the other equations of normals, the touching properties, their constants, I will do that, don't worry. Here I'll show you using the questions only, because there are many formulas, guys. In conic sections you don't have to mug up all those formulas. No. I'll tell you what to remember. Very few, like this mx equals to a by m, you can remember. Then we'll be discussing this chapter. I'll tell you what all to remember. Don't worry. Okay, if you know basic logic, you can obviously do it. Come on, guys. Tell me. So, guys, this circle passes through this variable circle. What will be the fixed point? Tell me, guys. Locus of the center. Very easy question. Variable circle passes through 2, 0. Bharadwaj, are you there? Are you understanding? Okay. So, guys, let's suppose we have a circle which passes through 2, 0 and touches this x. Okay. So, guys, let's suppose this is a point 2, 0. This is a point called 2, 0. And this is the point where it is touching. Guys, can I say that, guys, we want the locus of the center. So, right, we will take this as x, y. What we'll take this as, guys? X, y, right? Can I say, guys, this length will be x? Yes. And this height will be what? Y. Okay. So, guys, can I say radius is x? Yes. Can I say radius is x? Obviously. And this distance will also be radius. This will be also x then. Okay. So, distance between these 2 points will be x. Can I use the distance formula and equate it to r square? R is x. So, what we'll get? We will get x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to x square. Simple. Guys, the questions in this chapter are asked very basic. If you look at the previous year's questions, I'll show you all of that. We need not mug up all those amazing results. Basic concept, if you know, you can do all the questions. Now, open it up. What are we getting? Open it up. X square plus 4 minus 4x. Okay, minus 2ab plus y square equals to x square. X square cancels. X square. Papi Reddy, did you get it? X square cancels. What are we getting? We are getting y square we are getting y square will go that side, y square minus 4, y square plus 4x is equals to 4x minus 4. Y square equals to 4x minus 4. This is what we are getting now. Yes. Very good, Bharadwaj. So what is this, guys? This is nothing but this x minus a. This obviously, guys, is your. So guys, can you tell me the parabola? Actually, its vertex is at 1, 0. 1, 0. And its lattice rectum will be 4. This is the lattice rectum length, guys. This is the lattice rectum. 4. So guys, can I say this will be 1, 0? I can actually write down this whole equation. This point is what? 1, 0, right? Shifting of origin. Happy ready, yes or no? Shifting of origin, yes. And this will be what? 4a is 4. You can compare, you can get a as 1. That means this is 1. This point will be what? 2, 0. Understood? Focus is at 2, 0. Simple equation. Okay? Got it? Chalo, next. The parabola. Fine. Now let's move ahead. Okay, which of the following represents a parabola? Tell me. Tell me, guys. Okay. Chalo. Anyone? Come on, guys. Such an easy question. What do we get? Yes. See, guys, cubic can never be a conic, right? It can never be a conic, first of all. Okay. Then, guys, if you look in this one, this will be x square equals to y square, right? This will be x square minus y square equals to 0, right? Which can never be a parabola, right? Okay. This will be obviously y. This is a pair of straight line actually. X square equals to y square is what? X is equals to plus minus y. It's a pair of straight line. Okay. This is acha. Very good, very good. See, only because if you look at this one, you cross multiply, you'll get x square plus 4y equals to 0. What we will get? X square equals to minus 4y. It's the right or left. It's actually a downward facing path. Okay, what about this? Anyone? Abhi Reddy, Bharadwaj, what is this? What curve is this? Which curve will be this one? Any idea? X square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay. So you try this one, okay? Later on you can understand which one is this, okay? So we can easily analyze, guys, using delta. First of all, you have to see the delta, okay? You have to see the delta. Then, guys, you can analyze which curve it might be. Okay? Chalo. Length of lattice rectum of a conic is this. Then you can use, in that question, you can use a h square equal to AB, h square is greater than AB. Then you can obviously see. Okay, delta, you have to check the delta first. So guys, length of lattice rectum conic is this. Okay, length of lattice rectum is this, and foci is this, and this is the directrix. Then the conic is what? Simple questions, guys, we are getting. Acha, delta is 0 for that. Bharadwaj, you checked. Okay. Chalo. The length of lattice rectum of conic is 5. Focus is minus 1, 1, and directrix is this 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. Right? So what we will get, guys? Tell me. Length of lattice rectum. Tell me, guys. See, guys, these are the questions which we get in JEE. And basic concept, but still many of us don't know. Still many of us don't know. What is the perpendicular distance? Do we require that though? This is, guys, let's suppose this is S. Okay, this is your directrix. Okay, and okay, see here. Concentrate. This is, let's suppose, a point focus, right? Let's call this -1, comma 1. Okay, can you get me this distance, guys? What is this distance? SM. Perpendicular distance from directrix. SM, and let's call this any point P. Okay. So, guys, what will be SM distance? This SM will be what? Distance of this point from this line. So, what are we getting? Eccentricity we can say, but I think so you've calculated the distance wrong. Let's see. So, guys, let's calculate. We'll get -3 put here, and then -4 plus 2 upon under root 9 plus 16. What is that? -7 plus 2 mod of 5 by 5. And mod of 5 na? -7. Yes, you got correct. No, Bharadwaj. -7 plus 2, 5 by 5. That'll be 1. SM is 1. Okay. Okay. Now, one more thing. Now we need PM. PM is what? PM is what? Any point on the conic. PM is any point on the conic. So P is what? Any point on the conic. And its distance from focus. Right? Any point. This P can be any point. But here what they have given is lattice rectum length. They have given us what, guys? What is that? They have given us 5. They have given us this length. No issues. This is 5. Lattice rectum, na? Guys, this is SP. Half of it. I told you or not? This is 2L. No need to do all that. This is 2L. This whole thing is 2L. This is L and L or not? Tell me. 2L is equals to 5. Semi-lattice rectum length is what? D. Remember that thing I told you? L by D. L is coming as what? 5 by 2. L is no. Not 4A. L, lattice rectum length. I told you this is semi-lattice rectum length. 2A. Which is nothing but SP only, na? And that is also a point. Can I say, guys? Your E was what? L by D. Remember the initial stage I told you the formula. E is equals to L by D. L is 5 by 2. D is 1. E is coming as 5 by 2. E is coming as 5 by 2, my dear students. Got it? Okay. So E is coming as 5 by 2. That's the reason why, guys, it will be a hyperbola. Understood? We can only predict of that is a hyperbola, right? Parabola how? Parabola means eccentricity 1, na? Parabola means E equal to 1. And ellipse means what? E between 0 and 1. And hyperbola means E greater than 1. Rectangular hyperbola means your A plus B should be 0. You cannot predict right now this thing, na? No one can predict this. We don't have an idea about this. Okay? That's why it will be hyperbola. Got it? Chalo. Next. Understood, Bobby? Ready? Such an easy question, see? Was it a conceptual question? Yes. And these are the questions which come in JEE. They don't ask you that. Then what is the condition when parabola cuts this, and then parabolas is tangent is this? All those questions are not there. And for that E is root 2. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, Bharadwaj. Okay, at the moment you can, I have not taught you that, but then you can understand that eccentricity should be root 2 for that. Very good, good going, good going. So this is what we get. Chalo guys, one more conceptual problem. So the equation of the parabola with focus 3 comma minus 4, 3 comma minus 4, and directrix x plus y plus 7 equals to 0. Focus is given, directrix equation is given. Now how do you get it? Tell me. See, basic concepts, that's it. Nothing apart from it. Basic concept. So directrix is tilted, so it's a oblique parabola in the language of Papi Reddy. And guys, it will be definitely an oblique parabola. This is an oblique parabola because its directrix is an oblique. Okay, see how we will get it. Basic concept, foundation, initial concept, that's required. What we will use? What we will use? Remember the first equation. What did I tell you? SP by PM will be equal to 1, right, for parabola. So we can say what? We can say that SP square will be equal to PM square, right? So take any general point as x comma y, na? Its distance from this point to this line is same. That's the concept. Over and out. Okay? That's it. So let's see. So guys, focus is given. Focus is given. That is what? 3 comma minus 4. Okay? Directrix is given. X plus y plus 7. X plus y plus 7 equal to 0. So what we need is, we need the equation of a parabola. So guys, how will you get that? This distance will be same as this distance, right? SP square. Very good, Papi Reddy. Now you guys are getting. This is your P. This is your S. This is your M. Now distance formula, guys, just use it. So guys, let's take this point as x comma y. So what are we getting? We are getting, let's use this color, this is looking good. Okay, x minus 3 whole square plus 5 plus 4 the whole square is equals to distance of this point from this line, mod of ax1. x1 is also this and x is also that. So y plus y7 divided by root of 1 plus 1, 2 whole square. Yes. So what are we getting? What are we getting, guys? You cross multiply, you will open that now, 2 will come, right? So can I say 2 into x square plus 9 minus 6x, and here it will be 2 into this root 2 whole square 2, that's what I'm taking that side, y square plus 16 plus, I think so you guys can do it after this now, 8y is equals to x square plus y square plus 49 plus 2xy, then 14x plus 14y. I think so you guys can simplify now. Okay. Are Bharadwaj, again you are getting confused. 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 It is not the distance of this point to this line. It is the distance of x comma y from this line, directrix. This is your PM, not this. Yes, yes, Ankit, my batch has been launched within like 3-4 days back. Ankit, on the Plus platform, you can join that right now using AJ Live code. Okay, for 2022 aspirants. Understood? So guys, you can easily simplify this. I think so the correct answer which is coming is what, Babi Reddy? I think so the correct answer is coming as option A, right? Yes, the option A is correct. Understood? Okay. Chalo. Next. Next one. Again, this one very good question. Let's see how many of you can get this one. Easy. This is easy, not that difficult. We'll be doing many questions, guys. This is one concept. We'll be discussing another concept. All these questions, guys, if you remember, basic foundation is should be strong. Then only you will be doing well. Because the JEE, they are not asking that tough problems. Concept, basic foundation, if it is clear, you can crack the question. Come on. Equation of parabola having focus 3,2 and vertex -1. So very easy now, very easy. Can we directly predict which vertex is, guys, -1,2? Directly. Yes, Ankit, my JEE 2022 program has been launched. It has been launched. Okay, you can join that batch right now. Today itself, you can use AJ Live code. Okay, that has been launched on Plus, Unacademy Plus. Okay, is it A or C? Is it A or C? So let's see. Let's see whether it is A or C. Okay, so vertex is what? See here, try to understand. Vertex is what? Bharadwaj? -1, comma 2. Vertex is what? -1, comma. What is the focus? 3, comma 2. Focus is what? 3. Isn't it? Focus is 3, comma 2, right? Same height. That means the parabola will be what? It will be like this, na? Understood? This will be the parabola, na? Bharadwaj, yes. So it is what kind of a parabola? It is y square equals to 4ax type. So that means these two options are wrong. Either it will be this or this. Now guys, what you have to understand is that x is shifting 1 units to the left, right? So you will add 1 to x and you will subtract 2 to the y because it is lifting up. Okay, fine. That's it. So that is the correct answer, option C. Fine. Okay, correct. Easy after this. First, you have to just understand which type it is. First, understand the type and then you can do. Understood? Ankit, you got the information? Okay. Vertex of parabola is the point A comma B and latus rectum is of length L. Okay, if axis of parabola is along positive direction of y axis. Okay, axis is along positive y. Okay, then what is it? Easy. Very easy question once again. Think about it. Vertex is A comma B. I think so all of them have vertex A, B except this. So option A wrong. Directly we can say, right? Because its vertex is what? Minus A comma B, na? Because what is subtracted from x? That is important. What is subtracted? X minus A. So that is minus A, and what is subtracted from B? This is obviously wrong. It can be either this or this. Tell me, guys. So let me simplify this for you. It will be what? L into y minus b. And this will be what? L by 2 into y minus b. This will be what? L by 4 into y. So which of them will be correct? Yes, Papi Reddy, correct. Because length of latus rectum is what? Whatever is multiplied, na? Like y square equals to 4ax. Whatever is multiplied with this x is what? The latus rectum length, 4a. So what is multiplied with this? Y minus b, L. In which you are getting L? This. Second option. Understood? Isn't it L, everyone? Isn't this length L? Yes, it is. 4A is the lattice rectum length, na? Got it? 4A is the lattice rectum length, isn't it? Bharadwaj? Yes. So this will be your equation. Got it? Okay. Next. Length of lattice. Chalo, next. Okay. Now, we have been given focus, directrix. They are asking us the vertex. So how do you do it? Just give me the information, then I'll understand. You guys got it. How to do it? They have given us directrix. Don't tell me you will get the equation. Equation everyone can get, but that is not required actually. They have given us directrix. They have given us, in fact, focus. Focus is given as 1 comma minus 1. Okay. This equation is given as x plus y plus 3 equals 0. So how do you get the focus? Sorry, vertex. Call this as V. How do you get that? Give me the concept. Give me the concept. I'll tell you whether that's correct or not. Just tell me the concept. How do you achieve that? Come on. Comment. Very basic questions, guys. These are the questions which are coming again and again in every year. Okay. Reddy is saying some answer. Very good, Papi Reddy. That's correct. How do you do it? How did you do it? How did you do it? What is the concept you used? Tell me. This is S 1 comma minus 1. X plus y plus 3 equals to 0. Y plus 3 equals to 0. So guys, can I say, yes, vertex is midpoint of this and this. Can I say that? Let's call this point as some Q. Can I say V is the midpoint of S and Q? Can we get this foot of perpendicular? Easily can we get this foot of perpendicular? है ना? Straight lines. So take this point as H comma K. So one equation you will be having is H plus K plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Second equation, where will you get, guys? Second equation, where will you get? You will get that this slope, the slope of this line is what? M1 is what? Minus 1, right? Minus A by B. So slope of this line will be what? 1. M2 will be 1. Slope of this line will be 1. Use the use the 2-point form. 2-point form. So can I say, guys, K minus 1, K plus 1 upon H minus 1 will be 1. Fantastic. So what are we getting? We are getting K plus 1 is equals to H minus 1. So guys, from there I will get that H minus K minus 2 equals to 0. Right, now you have to add these two equations. Add these two equations. What are we getting? 2H minus 1 equals to 0. We'll get K equals to, okay, you get K equals to half, right? K will come out as half, guys. Is it correct? Okay. Sorry, H. If you're adding it, you will get H. H is half. So H is half. Put it there. Can I get, guys, K also? K will be what? Minus 3 minus half. Right? Can I get K as half minus 2? What is it coming out, guys? K is coming as, 1 second, H if I am putting it, we are getting half minus 2, right? Minus 3 by 2 we are getting. Minus 3 by 2 or 3 by 2? Okay, there's some confusion. Wait, let me check. From here we are getting somewhat different. Okay, minus 1 by 2. I just wrote it wrong, isn't it? Uh, sorry. 2h plus 1 equals to 0. H is minus half, not plus half. Simple mistake. Okay, so what are we doing? So h will be what? Minus half. Right, guys? H will be minus half. And k will be what? When you add it, you will get 2h plus 1, na? When you put it over here, what are we getting, guys? We will get k is equals to minus 5 by 2. K equals to, simple, k equals to minus 5 by 2, right? So hk we got this point. Can we use the midpoint formula? Absolutely yes. So midpoint formula, you will be getting this point as 1 by 4, right? This plus this by 2, 1 by 4 comma, directly I can do here, this plus 1, so minus 7 by 4. That's the point. Simple midpoint formula. Got it? Bharadwaj, Pabi Reddy, easy. Understood? That's it. Okay, next. Next is this. No, Bharadwaj, quiz is on Tuesdays. Unacademy quiz you're talking about, right? That app. Okay. Okay. Tell me. Try this one, everyone. Quiz on app. Okay. There's some issues, Bharadwaj. That's the reason why. Okay. There's some issue. That is why. Okay, that time. Okay. That's the reason why. So today I'm not able to take. I'll definitely take tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be a counseling session on how to attend the JEE counseling. Okay, so I'll be telling you how to attend the JEE counseling. That is tomorrow on Sunday. I'll be coming. Okay, I'll be sharing the time very soon. Axis of symmetry, the conic. See, okay, so what will be this, guys? Tell me. See, it's a very easy thing actually. Very easily you can get it. See, guys, there are two methods. One is you can take a common. You will be getting what? You'll be getting what? X square plus b by ax plus c by a. Fine. This will be what? A, and this will be what? X. Can I say plus b by 2a? Whole square will come, na? And some constant. Let's call that as some random t. Okay. So guys, can I say its vertex has been shifted? Yes. It's a parabola y. X square equals to 4ay, right? It is like what? X square equals to 4ay type, isn't it? Yes. So its vertex has been shifted with what? X is shifted to the left. Right? It is shifted to the left. So guys, can I say the parabola will be somewhat like this? Right? This point is what? Minus b by 2a. We write it. So guys, it is a parabola. Its vertex has been shifted to a random point here, which is minus b by 2a, comma anything. I don't know, k. What is the tangent at, or you can say axis. Axis of symmetry will be this, na? This is axis of symmetry. So what is this point? Can I say this equation will be what? Such an easy, x equals to minus b by 2a. If you cross multiply, you will get what? 2ax plus b equals to 0. 2ax plus b equal to 0. That is what we have. Simple. Right? Moreover, one more method. See here, guys, one more method. If you differentiate this equation, what are we getting? Tell me. 2x equals to 4a dy by dx. Okay. So guys, so if you equate the dy by dx to be 0, what are we getting? X equals to 0, isn't it? So guys, dy by dx differentiation I am doing is 0. So what are we getting, guys? Tangent at vertex I am differentiating and equating it to 0. I'll get what? X equal to 0. Won't I get the vertex? Yes, I'll get the vertex, isn't it? Because at vertex the tangent is drawn, right? isn't it? Similarly, if I've got y is equals to y square y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, so I will differentiate it. What I will get, guys? Dy by dx, I'll get 2ax plus b, isn't it? And if I equate it to 0, this will be the equation. That's it. One line you will get it. Just differentiate the equation of the parabola. Okay, with respect to x, you will get it. Fine. Okay. That's the answer, guys. B plus 2ax. Fine. Next. Focus of the parabola is, come on, guys. So I told you both the methods you can understand, you can get it. If you're comfortable with differentiation, go for for this question probability you're saying? Or the last one? Last one, na? See, huh? Tell me for this. Easy now. You can actually manipulate this equation easily. Come on, guys. Try it out. Not a difficult one at all. Four x square minus 12x plus 8y plus 3. Want to focus. Okay, okay, got it. Focus of this parabola, guys. Come on, guys. Such an easy one. What will be this, guys? What is that? No, Bharatwaj, I think so. You have done a mistake. Try it once. 4x square minus 12x plus 8y. Okay, plus 8y plus 13 equals to 0. They're asking focus. Focus ARJ. Okay. If you divide by 4, what are we getting? X square minus 3x plus 2y plus 13 by 4 equal to 0. Here, let's see. I'll tell you what I know what mistake you guys. Chalo. Can I say this is x minus 3 by 2 the whole square? And you will subtract 9 by 4. Right? Add 9 by 4 and subtract 9 by 4. Na? Yes or no? 10th grade stuff. Right? This will become x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Which I wrote. And minus 9 by 4 plus 2y. And you will have plus 13 by 4 equals to 0. Isn't it? Correct? Okay. Now, x minus 3 by 2 whole square. And this will be what? 2y plus 4 by 4, right? 9 minus 13 minus 9, 4 by 4, 1. Correct? Okay. Now, focus everyone. Focus here. The x minus 3 by 2 whole square. That will go that side. We'll get what? Minus 2y minus 1. So we will get what? You will take minus 2 common. Whatever is the coefficient of y, take it common. So what will you get? Y plus half. Okay. Y plus half, na? Okay. So guys, that's the mistake you guys are doing. Okay. Now, so guys, can you tell me the lattice rectum length? Bolo, tell me what is lattice rectum length and vertex for this parabola? Tell me everything. Tell me all the details. Can I say vertex will be 3 by 2 comma minus half? What is subtracted from x? 3 by 2 comma minus half, right? And lattice rectum length is what? 2. Whatever is multiplied with this is the lattice rectum. Are yes or no? Come on, guys. So we got vertex as vertex of the parabola. Vertex is at 3 by 2 comma minus half. And 4a is 2. That means a is 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. Okay, now what type of parabola is it? Compare with which one? Isn't it x square equals to minus 4ay type? Understand the type. Understand the type. So what will you get? It's a downward facing parabola, na? With vertex at 3 by 2 comma minus half. Can I say the parabola will be like this? Tell me. Yes. This is the vertex. Tell me everyone. What are we getting? This is the vertex. What is the vertex? 3 by 2 comma minus half. Okay? Yes. Now, we need focus, not vertex. Focus will be here. Yes. How much distance will this be? How much distance will this be? It was not that easy question. It was not that easy. This is half. This length is half, na? A. I told you distances don't change. Yes. Now, come down half units. Come down. This height is half. If this also is half, what is this? Can I say 1 units? So what will be the coordinate, my dear students? What will be the coordinate? The coordinate will be 3 by 2 comma minus 1. We are going half units further down. Understood now? Understood? Did we mug up any formula? H plus K plus 2A all? Nothing. Did we mug up anything? No, we didn't. Did we use logic? Yes, we did. Did we get the answer? Yes, we did. Understood now? Clear, everyone? Chalo. So that is the answer. The correct answer is option D, 3 by 2 comma minus 1. Got it? What mistake you did, Bharatwaj? ARJ, you understood? Okay, chalo, I'll explain one again. See here. कोई भी parabola में, any parabola Bharatwaj. Okay, Bharatwaj, I'll explain it. Don't worry, don't. Any parabola, what is the distance between vertex and focus? What is the distance between vertex and focus? Any parabola you take. Any parabola. This, take like this. What is the distance between vertex? Tell me. What is the distance between vertex and this? This is vertex, this is focus. This is vertex, this is focus. Vertex, focus. Can I say A? A. 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 See here. First, tell me the answer, Bharadwaj. Isn't the distance between vertex and focus is A? Right? Correct? Now, see here, concentrate. A is given, you had understood this or not? This step. 4A is 2. 4A is 2, right? This is whatever is the coefficient of the multiple, we get that as 2, right? That is the magnitude, right? 4A is 2. Comparing with x square equals 2 minus 4ay, we got 4a is 2, a is half. This was our vertex, na? This is our vertex. What is the distance between vertex and focus? Half. Isn't it? So this is half down or not? Let's suppose you are somewhere here. So you have this distance was half, okay, and you are already at half from this axis. So what is the distance now? This one, 1 na? Arey, half plus half is what? 1. This was already half. Half plus half is 1. Understood now? Clear? So that's the reason why we will get 3 by 2 comma minus 1. This was also half. This is also half. Good. Hi Prashant, how are you? Good afternoon. Next question, guys. The focal distance of the point okay. Okay. Hello guys, try this one. You can actually do option checking. Come on. Easily you can get it. Focal distance for point of this parabola from this is 10. So we need the coordinate of that point. How will you get it? Focal distance is given. Come on guys, what is the focus? It is what? Rightward facing parabola. Yes, Papi Reddy, easy. Very good. This is what? Comparing with y square equals to 4ax. You'll get 4a is 8, a is 2. So the focus is 2 comma 0 guys. A comma 0 na focus. So guys, tell me which point will have distance 10 from this. Which point will have distance? Focal distance means distance of the point from the focus. By parametric point, you will get lengthy. You can do it using parametric point. You understood? That is the general method. You will take the point as 80 square comma 280, है ना? Right? You will take what? That point as 80 square, right? 80 square comma 280. That is the general method. But get it easy now, we can get it. Better we can do it now. So you can say, is this going to give you distance formula from this point to this point 10? No. Is the distance of this point to this point 10? Okay. And distance from this point is what? Is it 10? No. Can I say distance of this point to this point will be 10? Yes. You tell me na. 8 minus 2 whole square plus 8 square under root will be what? 60. What will be this? Can I say 36 10? 36 plus 64 10. Minus 8 also is there. Will be giving you 10. So correct option is option D. So I'll explain you how will you do it in general method also. Okay, Papi Reddy, I'll tell you, don't worry. This is what we get. Option D is correct. That is fine. But now let's see how we have to do it in general method. So guys, Papi Reddy, in general I am telling any parabola is there. And suppose it is y square equals to 4a. Okay. So its focus is what? A comma 0. No need to mug up these formulas. Yes. No need to mug up the formulas. I'll tell you what to do. Within 30 seconds to 2 minutes, you can get these results easily. So guys, can I take any general point on this parabola as a t square comma? Now use distance formula. Use distance formula. What are you getting? a t square minus a whole square plus 2at whole square under root. And there is no rocket science in these concepts, just simple concepts. And in the book they have given us heavy derivations. So what will be that? That will be root under a square t square, then it will be a square minus 2 a square t square, and then plus 4 a square t square. Okay, so guys, can I say, Happy Reddy, can I say that it will be under root of a square t square plus a square plus 2 a square t square? Tell me. 2a square t square, right? T power 4, sorry, my mistake, t power 4. Okay, t power 4. What? T power 4, right? Okay, guys, what is it? Can I say it is a square at square plus a the whole square, at square plus a the whole square? Yes, isn't it? So root gone, at square plus a. That's the formula you're telling, Happy Reddy. That's the formula you're telling, isn't it? Do we need to mug up that? Does it take us 30 seconds to do it? Yes. Do we need to mug up all those formulas? Not at all. Okay. So you can say this is nothing but going to be x1 plus a also. Because x1 is what? At square, and y1 is what? So you can call this as this formula. Directly they give us the formulas. But how many will we mug up? Because there are 4 parabolas, na? For everyone will you mug up? For everyone will you mug up every concept? It will be thousands of formulas. It will be thousands of formulas. Happy Reddy, you can listen me? Can you listen me? Bharadwaj, is it fine now? I think so, it's fine. I just now checked, Bharadwaj, using my phone. Understood now, guys? So don't need to mug up those things. Okay, I will derive one interesting concept for you. Chalo. So guys, this is also very famous. Like ends of a focal chord. Let's suppose if the 2 points are at the ends of a focal chord. So what is the relation between them? Again, some issue from your end. I can see it is absolutely fine. Just check it once. Okay. So guys, can I take one point as a t1 square comma 2at1? Okay, I want to get the relation between 2 points. And this I am taking as at2 square comma 2at2. Fine. They are focal chord. And this is a point called a comma 0. They are what? Focal chord. How, Bharadwaj? What you are saying? I didn't get your point. Tell me what you're asking. Okay. So guys, let's suppose this is one point P, this is one point Q, this is your S. So guys, can I say if they are, this is a focal chord, slope of this line will be same as this line. Both are the part of a line, right? Yes. So let's use it. So guys, slope of PS will be same as slope of SQ, right? So what we'll get? A T1 square minus A. Sorry. Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1, right? This minus this, we'll get what? 2A T1 square divided by this minus this. A T1 square minus A. Similarly, you will get, okay, T1 nahi hai, 2A T1. And this will be what? 2a t2 minus 0 upon a t2 square minus a. Fine. Are you able to hear me, Bharadwaj, Papi Reddy? Both of you are able to hear me? Okay. So guys, 2a gone. Can I say a will also gone because it will take it common. So you'll get 1 here, right? And here also you'll get 1. Let me take it in the bracket. So what are we getting? We are getting T1 into T2 square minus 1 is equals to T2 into T1 square minus 1. Bharadwaj, can you hear me? Now guys, you just open it. Open it. What are we getting? T1 T2 square minus T1 is equals to T2 T1 square minus T2. Let's bring it this side. What will get? T1 T2 square minus T2 T1 square minus T1 plus T2 equal to 0. So what we'll get if you take T1 T2 common? You get T2 minus T1 minus, if you take common, you will get, we can say here T plus T2 minus T1, right? Plus T2 minus T1 equal. What are we getting? What are we getting? What are we getting? T2 minus T1 into 1 plus T1 T2 equals to 0, right? Yes. So guys, what we will get is, we will get one result as T1 equals to T2, one result as what? T1 equals to T2, and one result is T1 T2 equals to minus 1. Which one will be correct? Arey, both are different points, na? If both are different points, how can this be possible? This is not possible. So we'll get T1 T2 equals to minus 1. Okay? We'll get T1 T2 equals to minus 1. As the points are different, how can T1 be T2? That's the result, guys. If this is the extremities of a focal chord, you will get what? T1 T2 equals to minus 1. So guys, for this question, you already know the condition. Okay, T1. Okay, you know that T1 into T2 is minus 1. Your points x1 can be written as 2 at1 square. Okay, at1 square. Right, from here you can write x1 as at1 square, x2 as at2 square, and y1 as 2at1 and y2 as 2at2. Right? What is the a? What is the value of a? Comparing 16 equals to 4a. A equals to 4. Okay, a equals to what? 4. Right, everyone? A is equals to 4. Simply put it, multiply these two one by one. Okay, what we will get, guys? I think so we'll get a square, right? 4a square, and then plus this into this into minus 1 whole power square. Okay, T1 T2 whole square, and this will be what? Plus 4a into T1 T2 minus 1. 4a square. So what are we getting, guys? 4a square minus 4a square. We are getting 0. That's the answer. Easy. Simple. Okay. Got it, everyone? Chalo. Let's move ahead now. Next question. Very good, Madhvi. Chalo, guys. Guys, we're going to do amazing problems. Whoever has obviously come on now, guys, you can watch the lecture from the beginning. You will get to know that. And guys, please, whoever is watching, do like the video and share it with your friends. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay. So what is the answer? For this one, guys, equation of the focal chord of the parabola inclined at an angle of pi by 4 with the x-axis. So we want the equation of focal chord is inclined at 45 degree with the x-axis. This is pi by 4. Come on, guys, easy one. Focus is what? 1 comma 0. Slope is what? Tan pi by 4 is 1. Can't we get the equation? Yes, very good. Bharadwaj, y minus y1. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So what will be this? Y1 is 0. So y minus 0 equals to slope into x minus 0. X minus 1. How much are we getting? We are getting x minus y minus 1 equals to 0 na? Bharadwaj, I think so it's wrong from your side. Check it once. It will be D. Come on, guys. How can you make this silly mistake? It's such an easy problem. 15th D. Happy ready? What's your answer? D, right? Yes, it is D. D it will be. Because pi by 4 is the slope. Guys, such an easy problem. Slope is given, point is known. It is passing through focal. Focal chord. Focal chord passes through focus. What is the A of this? 1. Got it? Okay, so correct answer is D. Yes. Next. The angle subtended by double ordinate. Double ordinate. So guys, double ordinate means like anywhere it is cutting. It might not be passing through focus. So these lengths are called as what, guys? Double ordinate. Double ordinate. Okay, this is double ordinate. Double ordinate. Okay. These are double ordinate. Ordinate means y, and double ordinates means 2 times of y. Hi Bapan, how are you? Good afternoon, everyone. So guys, you can watch the video from the beginning. Okay, if you have missed out, Bapan. Okay, after the class, watch the video from the beginning. You'll get to know lots of questions. Okay, you have done amazing problems today on this platform. So the angle subtended by double ordinate of length 8a at its vertex. Think about it. Think about it. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Everyone. First, what is the length of double ordinate? 8a. Okay. Length of the double ordinate is what? 8a. So that means this length is total 8a. Okay. Can I say this is 4a? And this will be 4a half, right? By symmetry. So can I say this y coordinate is 4a? If y is 4a, can I get x? I'm absolutely fine, Bapan. So let's put y as 4a. So we'll get what, guys? 4a square equals to 4ax. 4a cancels. X will be also 4a. That means this coordinate is 4a comma 4a, my dear friends. This is 4a. This is also 4a. So you want this angle subtended by this with this. Let's suppose this is theta. Let's suppose that whole angle is what? Theta. This will be theta by 2, na? Understood? So can I say that tan theta by 2 is 4a by 4a perpendicular upon base 1? How 3a? 4a, na? Good. So theta by 2 is 45. So theta will be what? Pi by 2. That means this angle has to be 90. Simple. Easy. Such an easy problem, guys. These are the problems which are very basic. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. Correct. Okay. Simple. Without, are we using any problems? Too many problems we did. But did I use anything? No. Basic. Okay. So guys, this is a parabolic reflector question. Very basic question. Okay, I'll just explain you the basic idea behind this question. So guys, parabolic reflector okay is somewhat like this. Okay, it is like a parabola and diameter means this double ordinate is given. This is called as diameter of the reflector. It's like a parabola. Okay, here you can say this might be the end. Let me draw this. So this is called as diameter of the parabolic reflector. This is the dia. Okay, and it is 5 meter deep, 5 centimeter deep. This is the depth. What they're asking, try to understand. Hello, hello, Mohammed Ashraf. How are you? So, guys, this is given as 5. Okay, and this is given as 20. Okay, they're asking distance of focus to vertex. Okay, okay, Bharatwaj and Papi Reddy are saying 5. What about others? Very good, very good. Correct. See, guys, can you tell that the basic equation of the parabola will be what? Y square equals to 4x. You can take anything that will work. Very good, very good. So guys, can I say this chord, this is 10, this is also 10. This point will be what? Can I say 5 comma 10? Yes. This point will be 5 comma 10 na? Will this satisfy this equation? Yes. Will this satisfy this equation? Yes. Put it over here. You will get what? 10 square equals to 4a into 5. What are we getting? A is equals to 100 by 20, which is what? 5. And what is A? This is focus only, na? And this is your vertex. So that is A only, na? Distance between. Directly also you can say. Yes. Easily. Fine, everyone. So this point is actually, that might not be sometimes. Don't directly say, sir, 5 only, na answer. No. It came out to be that. Maybe this would have been somewhat different. So you would have got 6, you would have got 7, you would have got 8, you would have got 10. Possible. Directly don't say. Maybe this might not be a focal chord. If it is not a focal chord, there might be some other answer. Directly you should not say. Okay? Chalo. Next. Okay? Guys, everyone watching, please do like the video. Everyone, it'll be a very good encouragement for us. And I'll bring you more and more this one-shot sessions, which will be very beneficial for all of you. Okay, guys. One end of latus rectum is given. That's what we have to get. For this, we have been given the equation. Equation is known, you can get everything. Fantastic, Papi ready. Very nice. See guys, comparing it with what we will do comparing with what x square equals to minus 4y. Good afternoon, Drishti. X square equals to minus 4y. Okay, x square equals to minus 4y. That means it's a downward facing parabola. Yes, it's a downward facing parabola. Okay, now guys, what is the vertex? Compare with this. Vertex is where it is at minus 2 comma minus 3. Let me draw in that. This is the vertex. So this is my parabola. Okay, so vertex is at, hello Drishti, how are you? Everything good? So this will be what? Minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay. Okay, now what they're asking is the one end of the lattice rectum coordinate. They're asking us the coordinate, guys. Okay. Achha, what is the lattice rectum length? 4a. 4a equals to 4. Now comparing, we'll get a equal to 1. We'll get a is equals to 1. Okay. We will get what? A equals to 1. Now, so guys, can I say that again? We can get the focus also. Now let's get the focus. Let's get the focus. Can I say this is 1? Bharadwaj, see here. This is 1. So you need to come down, right? For focus, what will be the focus? Minus 2 comma minus 4. Isn't it? Okay. So now guys, for lattice rectum ends, you need to go 2a this side and 2 units this side, right? This will be 2 and this will be 2. So guys, what is this coordinate? Tell me. Can I say this will be going right? 2 units. This will be 0 comma minus 4 one end and subtract 2, go this side. What you will get? Minus 4 comma minus 4 comma minus 4. This point will be minus 4 comma minus. Is that clear? That clear, my dear students? Everyone, is that clear? Such an interesting question, right? Very basic. Very good, Papi ready. You got it. So this is how, guys, without using formulas, we can get every coordinate, whether you call it a basic question or you call it fine. Understood, Bharadwaj? Clear? So they had asked us 1, so we can give them this one. Minus 4 comma. Clear? Chale aage. Shall I go ahead? Bharadwaj, understood or not? First, I went to the focus. 4a was 1. Right? 4a is 4. I got the a from there. A I got 1. When you get a, you have to go down. So I went down 1 units. From there you'll add and subtract 2 and 2. You'll get the other coordinates. Understood or not, Bharadwaj? Okay, next. Come on, guys. Try this one. Very basic question once again. Area of the triangle we need to get of this equation. Come on. Guys, tell me. What will be the area? So guys, x plus 2 whole square, right? Okay, very easy. What's the difficulty in this? So let's see. How can we do this question? I didn't get any reply till now. So what is that, guys? Tell me. 4a, right? X plus 2 whole square is 12 into y minus 1, right? Okay. So let me write it down. Okay. So what I'll get here, it will be x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square. Let's see whether you're correct or not. Papi Reddy, we'll get to know. Y into y minus into 12 times of y minus. Okay, so guys, if you look at the vertex will be what? Minus 2 comma 1, isn't it? And it's a downward facing parabola. Okay, the parabola is somewhat like this. I'm not concerned about this. Anything, I'm not concerned at all, because here area will be same for this. Okay, like what they're asking, area formed by the one of the lattice rectangles. So guys, same area this will be getting, and same area this guy will also be getting. What I need is what is a? 4a was 12. A is what? 3. That's it. I don't want anything else. Understood? Because it's symmetric, na? Whatever this guy will get from the ends of the lattice rectum area, same this guy will also get. Isn't it, Papi Reddy? Areas will be same or not? Tell me. You only tell me. Yes, it will. So guys, can I say this is 3 comma 0? So this will be what? 0 comma 3 minus 3. I'm not concerned about the coordinates also. I am saying this is 3 over. I don't want anything else. Okay. And this is a, this is 2a. Isn't it? This will be 6 units. Right? Tell me, Babi Reddy, yes or no? This is 3 and this is 3. This is 3, this is 6. Over. So what is the area? Half? No, into base into height. Simple. What am I getting? No, 3 into 3, 9. Understood? So guys, this vertex didn't matter at all. We were only looking for this value. This was 12. That means a is 3. That means this is 3 and this is 2a. Right? This length is 2a always. This is also 2a. That's why length of lattice rectum is 4a. Simple. Now you got it, Pavi Reddy. That's the correct answer. Option D, 9. The area is 9. Got it? Okay. So simple question it was. Still it got confused, most of them. So next one. Next one, guys. Okay, so physics. Yes. Physics, guys. Isn't it the question on projectile motion? Projectile motion. Actually, the curve of the projectile is also parabola, right? Isn't it? The question is related to that. This is actually, you can get that parabolic equation of that projectile also very easily. So they've asked us this thing. Length of the lattice rectum of the parabola whose focus is this, and directrix is given as this. Tell me. So guys, we have a point, we have a directrix, length of lattice rectum. So guys, distance Okay, what is the distance between focus and directrix? Focus and directrix. It is what? AA. So distance between focus and directrix is what? This is the directrix, right? So distance between focus and directrix is always 2a, right? Okay, let's suppose this is your focus S. What is this distance? SD, whatever you can call it. This is what? 2a. So distance of this point to this line will be 2a. Okay, and we need the latus rectum length. We need length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum of the parabola will be what? That is 4a. What is that? Mains you can qualify, but it will be difficult for advanced. Self-study you can do it, Madhavi, but you have to be dependent on few lectures over here, because here it will be too much time taking for you, Madhavi. When you do it from your side now, you will look into many books, you will understand, okay, this I have to study, that I have to study. But here, when you come here regularly, we'll be focusing on conceptual study, how to go ahead with it, what are the things which you have to understand. Okay, so guys, what we'll do, we'll calculate this distance. Let's call this distance from this point, and then we will double it. As soon as you double it, you will get the projectile, right? Sorry, length of the latus rectum, right? Okay, so first get the D. So distance of which point? Let me write it down. The point is u square by 2g sine 2 alpha and comma minus u square by 2g cos 2 alpha, right? This is the point. And we have a line called y is equals to u square by 2g. Okay, Madhavi. So guys, distance of, can I write this as y minus u square by 2g equals to 0. Get the distance of this point from this line. Let's do it. How will we get it? Distance formula, guys. Let's put this value. It is x. No x is there, right? 0x. So 0. And then you will put it over here. You will get minus u square by 2g. U square by 2g. U square by 2g cos 2 alpha. And then minus u square by g divided by what? Root under a square plus b square. That is 0 square plus 1 square. So this root is your d. Okay, you can say this is 2a. Okay, this is your distance. You can call this as 2a. We need 4a. We will double this later on. So what are we getting? Guys, mod, do not forget. Okay, there's no under root. There's mod. Okay, there's no under root. There's mods. So guys, if I take u square by 2g, we are getting what? 2a is equals to u square by 2g common. Mod will be there, right? So guys, minus, if you take common, you will get 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Right? 1 plus cos 2 alpha. That's it. Okay, mod will make this negative positive. We'll get 2a is equals to u square by 2g. Cos 2 alpha, 1 plus cos 2 alpha. What is it? 2 cos square alpha. Isn't it, Pabi ready? Yes. So we got this as 2a is equals to this. So guys, can I say 4a will be length of latus rectum will be equal to what? 2 times of this 2u square by g cos square alpha. Understood? Easy. 1 plus cos 2 alpha formula. I used it as 2 cos square alpha, and that is the answer. I think so. Option D is easy problem. Chalo guys, now let's move ahead. Okay, equation of tangent at this point. So easy. I don't think so this is that difficult. You have two methods. Either you can differentiate dy by dx. You can do dy by dx. It will give you m at the point 4 comma 3 by 2. And then you can use what? You can use y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x. Okay, this you can do. Fine. you know the point, you know that, but I have already told you one trick. What is that? X1 minus, this will be, x will be replaced by x will be, x square will be replaced by x1, x will be replaced by x plus x1 by 2, and y will be replaced by y plus y1 by 2, right? Simple. So this will be what? X1 minus 2 times of x plus x1, right? And then this will be minus 4 times of y plus y1 plus 12 equal to 0. Simple as it gets. Okay. Now you can put the value of x1 as 4 and y1 as 3 by 2. Okay, what are you getting, guys? What are we getting? Very easy now. You can put x1 as 4 and y1 as 3 by 2. I think so you will get the answer as option B. Okay, directly questions are coming like this. This year also it came on, I think so, ellipse, parabola also in some sets it came. So directly formula substitution you can do. Okay, if you remember this, well and good. If you don't remember, I have derived these things for you guys in the past. Okay, in the one-shot sessions. Okay, guys, or what you can do is you can obviously use differentiation. That is always working, and D is the correct. Simple. Okay, very good, Papi. Chalo, next. Okay, guys, last few minutes. Okay, I think so. Last 20 minutes will take. So be patient, guys. We'll discuss many interesting problems to go. Last 4 or 5 questions, then we'll end the session. Okay, please bear with me for last 20 minutes. Okay. Yes, yes, it might vary. It might vary. Okay, first of all, congratulations, Abhinav, for your amazing rank of 112. Okay, so that will fluctuate. Okay, let's suppose the all the toppers are from Delhi. Okay, let's suppose if you estimate lots of toppers are from Delhi, NCR region, they will prefer what? They will prefer IIT Delhi. Okay, so they will take IIT Delhi. So obviously Bombay seats will be vacant. So then you can get that also. So it is all luck. Now, how the preference of the initial students are, it might vary every year. Definitely. This result was of 2019, which I showed last. I think so. You're referring to my lecture, right, on the cutoffs. Okay, so that obviously will vary. Okay, maybe few toppers are from UP, so they might want to go to Kanpur. They will take Kanpur. Okay, maybe Telangana students might prefer Hyderabad, despite of getting top ranks. Okay, so that might vary. Okay. So guys, so focus and directrix is this, then the equation of tangent at vertex. How to get it? So there are two methods, very easy, guys, can get it. So guys, we have been given directrix. Do like the session, okay? Without before going, do not just like the session, okay? Then you can leave. Okay. So guys, focus and directrix of the parabola are this. So directrix is this: 2x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0, and your parabola will be this. So focus is given as 1 comma 2. Okay. So guys, we need this. Directrix is given. We need this. So what we can do is guys, there are obviously one very easy method is you can assume that the equation of this isn't it parallel to this? Can we assume the equation as 2x minus 3y plus k equal to 0, right? Yes. Okay. Acha, what about these two, distance between this point and this point? Directrix. What is the distance, guys? Just get the point. Let's get that d. What is that? Mod of No, no, that will be done, Papi Reddy. Don't worry. Those things will be covered when we'll be discussing in, because that requires a lot of time. In one shot, obviously that can't be covered. So I'll definitely cover those concepts as well. Okay, these are advanced level problems which you are discussing. We'll be definitely doing that when we will be doing this chapter in detail. Fine. Don't worry. Root over this will become what? 4 plus 9, 13. So what are we getting? We are getting what, guys? 3 by root 13. Okay, so this distance is 3 by root 13. So this distance will be what, my dear students? Can I say that this distance will be half of this? And half of this. This is 2a. So this distance will be from this point to this point. What will be that distance, guys? This is the equation I am talking about. This is I have taken 2x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. Okay. So guys, what will happen? Can I say that this distance will be what? D by 2. Right? Yes. So what we will get? 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y plus k. Few questions are there, Sakshi, on basic concepts are there, advanced. Okay, when we will be doing the chapter in detail, I will be definitely taking all those questions also. Don't worry about it. Okay, this is a one shot session because in that I told you we cannot cover everything because yes, advanced session will also be there. Don't worry, Sakshi, everything will be done on this platform, A to Z, everything. Okay, so distance of a point, which one? 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 from this line will be what? 3 by 2 root 13, isn't it? Yes, I told you, Papi Reddy, basic I have taken, which are the most asked concepts. These concepts are asked, but then they are not asked every time. Okay, very few years you will see that is asked. Okay, guys, so let's get the distance from this. This will be what? 3 by 2 root 13, right? D by 2. Okay, so what are we getting, guys? 2 minus 3 into 2, 6 plus k upon odd upon 2 root 13. Sorry, upon root 13 only directly. Root 13 cancels. So we'll get mod of k minus 4 is equals to 3 by 2. Yes, they're asking generally the basic concepts only. And that's the reason why in one shot I'm covering the basic concepts, because basic concepts only many interesting problems can come up. Okay, so guys, we'll get k minus 4 equal to plus minus 3 by 2. Okay, so guys, what are we getting? We are getting, but it's not like we can leave that. It's not also that we have to also read those concepts, because here I'll do everything. Okay, we cannot leave anything. So we'll get what, guys? K equals to either 11 by 2 or 5 by 2. Okay, so now guys, tell me which one will we prefer. So guys, either we can take k as this or k as that. Okay, so guys, so what we'll do, we'll put it one by one. So when you put one by one here k, so guys, if you put k as 11 by 2, you will get this option. If you put this as, you will get option A. So A or C. Which one should we take? Tell me, guys. Which one we should take? Tell me. Very good question now. Now see, guys, this is correct. This is correct. Which one should we take? Okay. So guys, only one line will satisfy. That is sure. Why one line will satisfy? Because obviously tangent at vertex is unique. So guys, what you will do is, you know this equation, okay? You can get the point of intersection of tangent at vertex, and that should be focus. Okay guys, so you know that this will be obviously the point of intersection. So from there you can obviously eliminate that particular thing, and I think so your option A will be okay, guys. Simple it is. After this, you know how to do it, because these are the two conditions which we got. K is 11 by 2 or 5 by 2. So correspondingly, you can get option A and C. But then guys, you should understand that the focus is given, distance is given, A units you know, right? So we can get the vertex, right? Obviously, this will be the correct answer in that. Fine. Chal. Next question. Equation of tangent at this point, guys. Easy. Again, very easy one. How will you do it? Tell me, equation of the tangent at the point t equal to -3. Easy na guys? See, what will you do is, you will definitely get the point. Get the point, then it is easy. How will you get the point? So guys, point for this is 8t square comma 2at. Right? Comparing, we'll get 3 equal to 4a. A equals to 3 by 4. The points are a 3 by 4 t square and 2at, 2 into 3 by 4 into t. So t is also given, so we'll get the point. Easy. Won't we get the points, guys? T is -3. We'll get what? 3 into 9, 27 by 4. And this will be what? 2's up, -9 by 2. This is the point. X, y1 equals to 3x plus x1 by 2. Simple. Now put this value over here, guys. Easily you can get the equation. What is that coming out to be? I think so the correct answer for this question will be option 3. Understood everyone? Easy. What I did is, I just substituted this value at square comma 2at. Comparing, we got 4a, a we got. Then we substituted the values, t is -3 given. We'll get the point. Okay, so this will be what? Option. Okay. Let me complete probability, just 4 or 5 more questions, then I'll complete your answer. Okay, don't worry. After that, I'll be doing that. Okay, guys. The correct option is option 3. Understood? Fine. So, guys, now this one. Let's see, look into this. Equation of tangent inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So, guys, what will be doing? Tell me. Simple question once again. What is the answer? Tell me, come on. Yes, Fabi, ready? I'll take your question. Definitely, I'll take your question. Okay. What will be the answer, guys? Y square equals to 8x. What is the formula? Y equal to mx plus a by m. Okay. So, a is what? A is 2. Comparing 4a equals to 8. A will be 2. So, you'll put it over here. A and m is what? Tan 30. So what will you get, guys? Tan 30. So what will you get? 1 by root 3 into x plus a is what? 2 into 1 by root 3. So we'll get what? Y equals to x by root 3 plus 2 root 3. So now you will cross multiply. You will get what? Root 3y. And then this will be 6. Right? I think so. Option B is coming as correct. Okay. Very easy question now. Yes, of I think so. Option 2. That's correct. Option 2 is correct. You'll take this, you will get what? X, y root 3, right? And this will be 6, and that will be correct option. Easy. Fine, everyone. I have already told you, derive this formula for you, y equal to mx plus a by m. Okay, don't worry about it. We'll be doing that in detail, guys. Next question on it. Focal chord is a tangent to this. The possible values of slopes. Again, a very good question. So, guys, focal chord. What will be the focal chord? Can I write this A 16? 4a implies a is 4. Right? A is 4. Okay, this is a very good question. So, guys, what we'll be doing is, we'll be simply taking the equation of the line tangent as y minus y1. So focal chord, that means what? It is passing through 4, and this is a circle's tangent also. Okay, so let's take this point as 4, 0. So what is the equation of the tangent? What will be the equation of tangent, guys? Y minus y1 equal to slope. Slope, let's keep it m for a while. So what are we getting? Equation mx minus y minus 4m equal to 0. Okay, let's take this as the equation of tangent. Okay, check it. Okay, now this is the equation of tangent, right? Now, so from circle, it's a circle and it's a tangent to the circle. So guys, very easy concept of tangent of a circle. So we know that its distance, perpendicular distance from the center will be what? Radius, right? What is the point center? 6 comma 0, right? That is the equation of the circle is already given. It is x minus 6 whole square plus y square equals to root 2 square. That means radius is root 2, right? 2 I am writing root 2 square. So guys, distance of this point to this point. Very good, Papi Reddy. So distance of this point to this point will be what? Distance of this point to this point. What is this line? Mx minus y minus 4m equal to 0, right? So let's get the equation. What are we getting? Mod of 6m minus 4m on root over m square plus 1. Okay, is what? Root 2. Fine. So what are we getting? 2m equals to root 2. And let's square both sides. So we'll get 2m. This is 2m square equals to root 2 into m square plus 1 whole square. So what am I getting? I'm getting 4m square. 4m square is equals to 2m square plus 2 is equals to 2m square plus 2. So guys, many mixed problems of parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, circles can also be asked like this. We'll get 2m square equals to 2, m square equals to 1. That means m is equals to plus minus. Both are possible. Two tangents are. Okay. That's the answer. M equals to plus minus 1. Okay. That's the answer. Very good. Hello guys. Now let's move ahead. The last two problems I'll take. Then we'll wrap the session. Okay guys. Advanced concepts and the concepts which are obviously important. We'll be doing whenever we'll be doing this chapter in detail. Okay, this is just the compact version so that we can obviously attend all the questions asked in JEE. Okay, chalo. Now guys, this is also one interesting concept. Let me discuss this with you. So guys, this was one method which we were getting the equation, that was what? SP square equals to PM square. This was giving us the equation. There is one more technique actually. Let's suppose if you focus on this carefully. This is the equation of the parabola is y square equals to 4. Okay. Any random point on the parabola, can we take it as x comma y? Any random point on the parabola can be taken as what? X comma y. Fine. Okay. So here, as this is x comma y, as this is x comma y, what will happen? Can I say that this distance is x? What is this? This is axis. What is this? Tangent at vertex. Okay, there's a nomenclature. This is x. Just try to rewrite it. Can I say, guys, this y square is what? Can I say it is nothing but distance from the axis square? Okay, distance from the axis ka square, right? Can I say y is the distance from the axis and small x is distance from the tangent at vertex? Yes, that's also a concept. Yes, Adarsh, we will be doing one shot lectures and detailed version as well. Okay, on weekends I will be covering swift compact lessons, but in detail. This is not a detailed version, obviously that will be required. This is for obviously guys who are writing now some tests or not, just to give you the brief idea. Okay, this is not a detailed version. We'll be doing the detailed version also very soon. Okay, so guys, can I say this will be what? Can I say axis square equal to 4a? 4a x. Can I say tangent x is what? Tangent at vertex. That's the formula. What is the formula? 4a tangent at vertex. Okay, tangent at. Thanks, Alhaz, for that comment. Okay, so guys, that is also one interesting formula, that distance from axis square is 4a. 4a can be written as length of latus rectum into tangent at vertex. Tangent at vertex. Okay, that's the formula. Huh. No, but this is a concept now, Papi Reddy. I'm not saying this is the formula. Can you remember this easily? Can't you remember this easily? Isn't this valid for this also? Am I telling you to mug it up? Can you do it directly? Thanks a lot, Alhaz Manzoori. Okay. Will it be valid for this also? Will it be valid for this also? Tell me. Yes. Any random point is what? X, comma, y. So what is this? Tell me. Here, this is your x and this is your y. Okay, this is your y, right? What is this? This equation of the parabola is what? X square equals to 4ay. Understand, it's not a formula. You can learn it. This is a concept. Learn this. Here, can I say this is distance? This is nothing but axis now. This is the axis. Axis is this x now. Understood? And this is 4a. Length of latus rectum. And tangent at vertex. Did you get it now, Papi Reddy? Is it a formula? Or can you remember this? Others, that will be done on the app. Only questions is done on the app. Mega quizzes I am taking on the app. If you're following me here and on the app, you can definitely do it. Isn't it, everyone? Papi Reddy, did you get it now? Did you get it now? Understood? This is axis. Now tangent at vertex is what? This. Okay, this is distance. This is distance we are talking about. Understood? This is distance. This is distance from tangent at vertex. 5. Got it? Such an easy concept. This will be valid for everywhere. You can learn this thing. I'm not telling you to mug up. If you forget also, can you remember? Easy. So guys, this is actually valid for a parabola. Okay. Similarly, this kind of thing I'll derive in hyperbola and ellipse also. Don't worry. We'll be doing that. So guys, equation of parabola whose latus rectum is 2 and axis of the line is this. So guys, can I say 4a is 2? LLR. This is what? LLR. Okay. Now guys, what is this? Tell me. Axis square. Distance from axis. What is the axis? So whose latus rectum is 2. Axis line is this. So guys, axis square. Distance from axis of any point. Any point you tell me x comma y. General point you will take as what? General point you will take as x comma y. Distance from this line. Tell me the distance from this line. Can I say it will be what? Mod of x plus y minus 2 upon root 2 whole square. Tell me, Papi Reddy. Hai? Okay, is equal to length of latus rectum. What is that? 2. 2 into what? Tangent at vertex. Distance from tangent at vertex. What is distance of tangent at vertex? X, distance of this point from this line. X minus y plus 4 by root 2. Easy. Such an easy way we have actually derived this formula, my dear students. Right? Haven't we derived this formula such an easy way? That's it. So guys, whole square, what are we getting? We are getting from this x plus y minus 2 whole square, x plus y minus 2 whole square by 2 is equals to 2 into distance of that point from that, and x minus y plus 4, x minus y plus 4 by root 2. This will go that side, we'll get what? X plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to what? Root 2 root 2 into x minus y plus 1. Got it? Understood? Clear? So which option? Plus 4, sorry. Which option is it? Got it, everyone? Interesting concept, right? See guys, such an interesting concept. I think so option 3 is correct. Got it? Last question for the day. Are we ready? Are you there? Did you get it? Last question for the day, guys. We'll take one more, then I'll give you one as homework. You can do that. Hello guys, one more question. We'll end it here. Are we ready? Is it clear? Concept is clear. Okay, that's what I did. Distance from that, this is equals to LLR into that, right? That is very easy, guys. We can derive this for ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, and this will help us doing everything. The focus of a parabola. Basically, I am from Bihar and settled in Delhi, Alhaz. Okay, so focus of a parabola is 1, 2, and the point of intersection of directrix and axis is this. The equation of parabola. So guys, the focus is 1, 2, and the point of intersection of directrix and axis. They have given us, and yes, the parabola. So we have, this is 1, 2, right? Focus of the parabola is 1, 2, right? And the point of intersection of directrix and axis is 2, 3. Okay, the equation of parabola. If we get the directrix equation, will the job be done? We can use SP square equals to PM square, isn't it? Yes or no, guys? We know the focus. We can take any point as P. This square is equals to this square. That directly we can get it. Isn't it, everyone? Yes. So let's get the equation of directrix. So guys, what is the slope of this line? M1, y2 minus y1. That'll be what? 2 minus 3 divided by 1 minus 2. Is it 2? It is what? Minus 1. And what is the slope of this line? 1. Our slope of, sorry, not minus 1, this is 1 and this will be minus 1, isn't it? Yes, slope of this line will be 1. The directrix slope will be minus 1 because this is 1. Yes? Okay. And the point, it is 2, 3. So directrix passes through 2, 3. Passes through 2, 3 and slope is minus 1. So what will be that? Y minus y1 equals to slope into x minus 2. So what are we getting? Y minus 3 equal to minus x plus 2. So what are we getting? X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. That is it. So guys, simple, any point, and the focus, everyone knows that focus is 1, 2. 1, 2. So what will be the equation? We know that first SP square equals to PM square will be x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. This will be equal to distance of this x comma y from this point, which will be mod of x plus y minus 5 by root 2 whole square. Yes? Got it? So correct answer is option B. So root 2 whole square will be 2. So that will be the correct answer. Fantastic. Yes. We'll get option B as the fantastic, guys. Yes, SP equals to PM. From there we have derived this. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for joining today's session, everyone who joined. This is your homework, guys. You can do it and comment the answer. This is your homework. You can solve this and you can comment the answer in the comment box. Okay, I'll be commenting whether that is correct or not. Checking that. Okay, Papi Reddy, tell me your doubt quickly now. Comment your doubt. What was your doubt? Tell me. Okay. So guys, all of you might be knowing now, you can simply install the app from the Unacademy Play Store. Okay. So that will be helping you in order to attend not only my plus classes, but you will also be able to attend, you can also be able to take the subscription from there. Okay. So you have to simply install the app from the Play Store, and then guys, you have to go ahead with it. Okay. So if an ellipse slides between two perpendicular straight lines, okay, is an ellipse which is sliding between two perpendicular straight lines in the locus of its center. Okay. So you can take the centers as anything, okay, two perpendicular straight lines, right? So this is the straight lines. Okay, you can take any two straight lines and let me draw. This is sliding, that means it is changing, right? Ellipse, it is changing. Okay, you can see here as the ellipse is changing. Okay. Okay, this ellipse is sliding, so you can take this point center as h comma k, right? Okay, so what will happen? So you can take this equation as anything, right? Are you getting it, Papi Reddy? Okay, so you can say that center is always, so it isn't it obviously between two perpendicular straight lines, so it isn't point of intersection is perpendicular tangents, so that the locus will be a circle, right? Center is constant, isn't it? Point of intersection of these lines is nothing but what? Perpendicular, right? Perpendicular tangents lies on the director circle. So that's the circle, right? You know that what is the director circle of? This is nothing but director circle. Understood? Remember I told you this concept of director circle? Yes. So that's the reason why perpendicular tangents or only the locus of the points, this can be not only like this, but it can be like this also. One second, let me get it. The tangents are perpendicular, right? Oh yeah, sorry. I had drawn that wrongly. So that is director circle, na? Yes, this is the diagram. Right, so point of intersection of perpendicular tangents is what? Point of intersection of perpendicular tangents is director circle. Remember that concept I told you? There will be a director circle. Okay, done. Fine everyone, thanks a lot for attending these lectures. I thought first of all that also the parallel lines also would have been there. Then also I think so that would have been a circle only. Okay. Chalo. First of all, I thought that is two parallel lines it is doing. The tangents are perpendicular. It will be obviously director circle. So guys, you can obviously go to the ITJ section. In that, click on plus. Okay. And then guys, you can go for the subscription and AJ Live is the code. Fine. AJ Live is my code, guys. With the help of that, you'll be getting this amazing experience of plus, which will be giving you count on this particular platform. 1 year and 2 year, you can easily crack this. The thing, it will not only cost you very cheap, it will be obviously costing you around 2.9k per month, and this will be costing you 2.1k per month, which is more than affordable, guys. Okay, thanks a lot everyone for joining the session. You can use the code here in this platform. AJ Live is my code. Then you can proceed to pay. You can use EMI. Well, fine. Abhinav SC is my code. You can go for this. Okay. So guys, 21 and 22 aspirants can obviously join my session. Okay, the course has been launched, guys. Without wasting a time, you can obviously join my session. In that, everything will be done in detail. No, today you can catch me at 5:45, Papi Reddy. Okay, 7 p.m. is not there. Okay, fine, guys. 8:30 p.m. is the timing of my plus classes. You can join using AJ Live. 2021 and 2022 batches have been launched. These are the timings of the batches. And guys, differential calculus will be there, which I've already started. at 8:30 p.m. This is a crash course. In this, the syllabus will be finished before your first attempt. Okay, guys. Monday, Wednesday, Fridays are the classes. You can definitely look into that. And for 2022 batches, the courses are running at 8:30 p.m. again on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Weekends, there are quizzes. You can attend the quizzes. We are doing right now graphs, sets, relations, and functions. Moving ahead with trigonometry, algebra, and conics. Fine. Okay, guys. Also, my timing on YouTube is fixed. That is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 22 aspirants. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday for 21 aspirants. So, guys, you can attend here. AJ Live is my code. All of you might be knowing that. You can take the plus as well as you can attend my Unacademy JEE English classes at 5:45. I come every Monday to Saturday. Okay, guys, do like the video. Do not forget to like this video, guys. Everyone watching. Okay, thanks a lot for your support. And guys, do subscribe and get your friends on this particular channel. And do not forget to download the app. Okay, AJ Live is my code. Thanks a lot for attending the session. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. See you next time with yet another special class like this on this platform. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.